Yeelong YouTube, and welcome back to another Challenge Thursdays. First of all, Eric, congratulations on finding those 2 eggs last week. I knew you can do it. Also, your buns performance kinda got me kinda hot, you know? So, I accept your challenge. And today, I'm gonna be doing a scene from Coach Carter. Enjoy!
Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. Your playing small does not serve the world. There is nothing in line about shrinking so other people won't feel insecure around you. We are all meant to shine as children do. It is not just in some of us. It is in everyone. And as we let our own light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. As we are liberated from our own fears, our presence automatically liberates others.
That's it, Eric. Next week on Challenge Thursdays, we're gonna switch it up a little bit. I want you to go old school. I want you to go old school Michael Bolton, and instead of dramatic reading, let's try a lip sync. Any song you want, Michael Bolton. Good luck. You have 1 week. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. If you like it, please leave a comment and give it a thumbs up. Even if you didn't like it, leave a comment anyways. I'm most likely gonna read it. Check out some of our other stuff. I'm gonna link a video right here and right here. And until then, GG Dua.